सो हेलो गाइस। तो वेलकम है आपका और एक नए वीडियो में। तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं हमारे फर्स्ट चैप्टर रियल नंबर्स की सेकेंड एक्सरसाइज जो कि 1.2 है उसके बारे में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि हमको नंबर्स दिए गए हैं उसको एज अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर प्राइम नंबर्स रिप्रेजेंट करने हैं। सो हियर इज़ आवर फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच इज़ 140। तो 140 इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 70, 70 इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 35, 35 इज 5 इंटू 7। तो 140 इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 5 इंटू 7 और 2 स्क्वायर इंटू 5 इंटू 7। So now let's talk about our second part of first question. Which is 156. So 156 is equal to 2 into 78. 78 is equal to 2 into 39. 39 is equal to 3 into 13. So 156 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 or 2 square into 3 into 13. So now let's talk about third part of our first question, which is 325. So 325 is equal to 3 into 1 to 75. 1 to 75 is equal to 3 into 4 to 5. 4 to 5 is equal to 5 into 85. 85 is equal to 5 into 17. So 325 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17 or 3 square into 5 square into 17. So last two part of first question are very easily, so you can do it yourself. So now let's talk about quickly about second question. So our second question is 26 and 91. So basically in this question it is telling to find the HCF and LCM of respective number and prove that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two number. So 26 is equal to 2 into 13, 91 is equal to 17 into 13. So HCF is 13 and LCM is equal to 2 into 17 into 13, which is 182. So 13 into 18 is 182 is equal to 26 into 18, 2366, hence proved. So all parts of this question are very easily, so you can do it yourself like this sum, and they are very easy. So let's start our third question. So basically in this question it is telling to find the HCF and LCM of the respective numbers. So 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, 15 is equal to 3 into 5, and 21 is equal to 3 into 7. So HCF of this number will be 3 and LCM is equal to 3 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 5, which is 420. So our answer has come. So let's do other questions. So all other parts of this are quite similar, so you can do it yourself. It's very easy. So let's continue with our other question. So as our fourth question is cleared in last video, we will continue with the fifth question. So let's solve the fifth question, as it is telling to check whether 6n can end with digit 0 for any natural number, and so let's solve it. So as if any number ends with 0, then it will be divisible by 10. So simple. Then 10 factor are 2 and 5, so 6 will be divisible by both. So, but it is not divisible by 5, so it will not end with 0. So let's start our next question, which is 6. So here basically in this question it is telling to explain why these numbers are composite. So in 7 in multiply by 11 into 13 plus 13, as 13 is common and both are have common factor other than 1, it is composite number. So simple. So now in 7 multiplied by 6, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 plus 5, as both number have common factor that is 5 other than 1, it is composite. So simple. So now it is time for our last question of the exercise 1.2. So here in our last question basically it is telling to find a LCM of both number, because it is telling that people are running in field after how much time they will be at starting point equally. So we have to find LCM. So 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3, 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, HCF is 6, and LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, which is 36. So hence after 36 minutes both person will be at starting point equally. So this question is complete. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you like it then please subscribe our channel for more interesting and informative videos. So thank you guys, have a good day, bye.